Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our last video, we've gone through the process of filing New Jersey sales tax return. Though we were not able to file the live return, but I've showed you the return which was previously filed. The reason is that the New Jersey is gonna launch a new portal where you will be filing the next quarter return. So today we're gonna file another state. That's again my quarterly return that I used to do it for one of my client. But before I move to the state website and state portal, I would request all of you to do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest sales tax information. So that's my report here today. The state is Utah. That's again my quarterly return. So I have made a little pivot table here to make my life easier. For the Utah one, you need to file the cities and counties as well. You just don't have to file the total sales and non-taxables like we did for the New Jersey and for the main state as well. Here you need to input the information based on the counties and cities. So that's my portal here. Now I'm gonna click here, file your amend return. So let's say I'm gonna file this period, right? So this is my period now. So here I will file and view. Now here you just need to click next. Here you don't need to put anything here. uh, I will not import my return. You have the option to import your return. You can either import or you can either do that manually. For import you need to have a template, and the template you need to input the information on that template, and then you will import that file here. But I'm gonna add it manually, so I'll click next. Now here I will add total sales. So my total sales are this one. Now what I will do here is I will have non-taxable sales or exempt sales here. So these are my total sales. Now when you click next here, you will see here that you need to file a schedule J. So in the schedule J you need to select and add the sales location wise. Like, so for example, let me just try this one. So like this one. So here you will need to add the taxable sales one by one. Each and every taxable sales you need to add here, like this one. And so once you add all these sales, your total sum, the total taxable sales should be equal to the total sales minus exempt or non-taxable sales. If you get any difference here, let's say I'm not going to add these sales, right? Let's leave these, and if I click next here, so you will see that you will get the difference here. So it says that the system is saying here that total sales the total taxable sales from all schedule must be equal the net taxable sale and purchases on your return. And what is the not net taxable sale is the total sales minus exempt sales. So since here it's not matching, so it will give you a difference. So what you need to do here is you need to fill the schedule J properly so that you don't get any difference here. So for example, if I just gonna do this one as well, so let's say these are my taxable sales. So here one by one you need to add the locations, and then the system will generate the county, and the tax will be calculated here. In the end, your total tax should match with what you have on the report. Once you will click next, if this error doesn't arrive, you will click next. Then you need to input the payment information, and once you input the payment information, you will submit the return and the payment will be made. So if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, if you have any comments, do let me know in the comment box. Thank you very much.